Hello, welcome to my channel TechSuff. This video explains you about Google Analytics and step-by-step process to set up Google Analytics. What is Google Analytics? Google Analytics is a free web analytics service offered by Google that tracks and reports website traffic. You can also track your website using plugins like Monster Insights, but Google Analytics is the best way to track your website. Let's get started. First, open your WordPress dashboard. Enter username or email ID and then password. You can see WordPress dashboard here. Now open a new tab and type Google Analytics. Select the second option. Log in with your Google account. Now click on sign up button. It will show two options, website and mobile apps. Let it be website as we are working on websites now. Enter the account name. Enter the website name. Enter the website URL. Select the industry category. My industry type is arts and entertainment. You can select any option based on your business by scrolling down. Now I'm just selecting arts and entertainment. It's time to select report time zone. Select India by typing India there. Scroll down. You can see 4 recommended options by default. Let it be by default. Scroll down and click on get tracking ID. Now Google will show you terms and conditions. Accept the terms and conditions by clicking on them. Just scroll down. Click on I accept. Okay, here it is. So Google generated automatic JavaScript code. Just copy that and let's go back to the WordPress dashboard. Search for appearances. And now go to editor option at the bottom. Click on it. So these are all the backend files which are related to your website. So on your right side, just see theme header file. Yes, there it is, theme header. Click on it. this is the backend code for theme header. Now search for head tag. There it is, head tag. Now search for the end of header tag. There it is. Just give a space and paste the copied JavaScript code. Now scroll down and click on update file. Yes, file edited successfully. Now let's go back to the analytics window. Click on the home button. Okay, got it. So you can see 0 users there. That means no users on my website. It just changed it to 1. That means 1 active user is on my website. He is viewing my website right now. So it showed 1 now. So the JavaScript code is working correctly. Now click on real time and then on overview. Here you can see from which device the user is accessing your website. Just scroll down. Right now 1 active user on site and he is using desktop. On your right side, top active pages, the user is currently on services page and surprise events page. So scroll down, you can see the map there. Oh, it's just changed to 2 now. 2 users are there. Place your cursor on the highlighted map. 2 active users and all the 2 users from Vijayawada. Let's do one thing. Let me open my website in your mobile device. I'm doing that right now. I'm done. Let's see, it will refresh automatically. Okay, 3 active users now, all the 3 people from Vijayawada. So let's scroll upside, and 2 users are on home page and 1 user is on services page. And you can see 33% mobile devices and 67% desktop, which is nothing but 2 users are using desktop devices and 1 user is using mobile devices. That's it. We are done with Google Analytics. I hope you got it. Please like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you. Have a great day.